Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Laab's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Laab vegetable or Laab. เขาเรียกว่า Laab เทา but it's not เทา okay? It's I use substitute to be a vegetable. It's Spanish vegetable, okay? And this is seaweed. You know, อันนี้มันเทาแห้ง the dry original. That's what it is, but we cannot find the fresh one here. So I have to show you how to use this vegetable substitute, okay? And see what ingredient I have today. Okay, what I have here, fish, and then I have the, seaweed right here, the dry one, and then I have apple snail meat right here. It's chicken flavor, sea salt, Padek, fish salt, chili powder, rice powder, pepper, galangal, kaffir leaf, lemongrass, mixed vegetable, eggplant, long bean, and spring onion, cilantro, and pea eggplant. Okay, look like it's a lot of ingredient, but this dish is very healthy, okay? Like if you don't feel like, oh, I want to eat something very heavy today, this is the best dish, okay, guys? It's good food. It's help you, digest your food very good because they have all kind of herb, okay? Special is the fish too, okay? All right, let's cook with me. Alright, see I got everything all prepared, guys. It look like hot, but it's not at all. Just take time, slide your vegetable, the herb, boil your fish, slide everything and get ready, okay? And take a look. Oh, so beautiful, all the colorful, and this is so good, guys. And then the special ingredient is this right here. I boil the fish, and then you put all the seasoning here, like the sea salt, chicken flavor น้ำปลา fish salt okay and taste it make sure it's perfect as you need and only thing that you have is roast rice and roast pepper that's it all you see here is nice stuff not include the flour okay just for you guys to enjoy how beautiful they are okay let's get started let's mix them together let's make this vegetable salad เนาะ okay อันนี้ลาบเทาเด้อลาบเทาnew generation เพราะว่าเขาจะไปหาอันน้ำตกบอกหรือว่าไปเก็บเทาเก็บอย่างมันบ่มีปัญญาแล้วอยู่นี่มันบ่มีเทาให้กินเนาะก็เลยเฮ็ดสไตล์นี้เนาะเฮ็ดโหมดนี้แบบว่าให้มันถือกับอัน environment ของอยู่ต่างประเทศเนาะโอเคเบิ่งเด้อว่ามันสิออกมาหน้าตาเป็นจังไดOkay, guys, that's what they look like, okay? It's really good. Try that. It's very, very good. I love it. This is one of my favorite dish too. Like tonight, I'm not gonna eat rice. I'm gonna eat this, but you may eat with the sticky rice too, okay? It's very good. And I'm gonna put it in a glass like this so you guys can see what they look like. Now, see? กินไม่ได้ปากนี่นะแซ่บครับคือลาบเผาบ้านเฮาเลยเด้ออยู่นำไว้เพราะว่าค่อยเอาอันเผาแห้งนะใส่แล้วมันหอมนะกินนี่แยกบ่ออกว่าคือเผาบ้านเฮามาแข้งกับหวานดังป๊อกครับall that herb galangal lemongrass kaffir leaf everything mixed so well together Okay, let me tell you something about this dish. You know, every family eat different. Some people like spicy, some people like salty. And then this dish, you wanna go ahead taste it first, and then you may add some more cocoa, roast rice, pepper, or whatever you want, okay? To your own taste, okay? And this recipe that I'm giving you today is gonna be perfect just for me. But you, when you cook after me, you make sure that you taste first, okay? All right. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and I see you next video, okay? And cook this, it's very healthy. And I got this pepper from my front yard. Basically, it's beautiful color, very pretty. You know, they're supposed not to be hot. They're not hot pepper, okay? It's sweet. So you wanna, this is all green. You wanna find any pepper like this to add on to make it red, okay? Okay, bye, ลาก่อน See you guys next time. Bye bye.